G'day, I'm Dean. I've got this Nissan Navara D40 and it's a lift kit change. So what I wanted to do was video it and show you what we've got going on. So the story was when the car came in, it had this lift kit fitted to it, had these 2-inch body lift blocks, which in Queensland is a breach of the roadworthy requirements. So what we've gone and done is fitted the 1-inch blocks, and it was a relatively easy job. So the reason I'm recording this video is because if you want to put 1-inch, 2-inch, whatever it is you want to do, the process is the same and it's really easy. So on these D40s, this is a VSK, which is a Spanish built one. It's a 2010 this, but they're all very, very similar. So there's just six bolts. So we've got this first one here, and then that block up in there behind my fingers, the 1-inch body lift. Then we've got this second one here, and then the third one up in there. So basically 3 of them that hold the body onto the chassis there, and then when you move back, there's that one up there on the tray, and then on the other side of the wheel there's another one up there. So, and it's the exact same on the other side. So the process to go ahead and do it was just to simply pull those bolts out. So the way we did it, because it already had the 2-inch blocks in it, we just pulled out the end two of the body, not the tray, and then we jacked it up with the trolley jack and a piece of timber. You can do this at home on the floor if you've got a jack, and then the whole cabin, just lifted it up, slotted the new ones in, gently lowered it back down, fitted it up. 2-inch body lift. Now I've got this is the brand that we use, Luxy lifts. You can get them online. They're down in Tasmania, I'm told, but they delivered them to us and they came here real quick and they were really cheap. Good parts, doing the job just fine. So that's how quick and easy it is. It took our mechanic about probably a couple of hours, because he had a bit of mucking around. He ran into some trouble with a few bolts. Where are they? Here. He ran into trouble with a few rusty bolts. Just, you know, the threads were just a little bit graunchy trying to get them out. But that's about going to be your biggest trouble. So just be careful with your bolts that you don't cross threads and stuff, because those nuts on the top, they're welded on, and if you destroy one of them, you're not going to be able to weld it back on, because you just can't get access up there. So just be careful with your bolts. Use lots of lubricant if they're a little bit seized, a little bit hard to get off. But putting a lift kit in a Nissan Navara D40 like this, not a difficult job at all, and something that you can do at home on your garage floor.